Let's get into it. So I've already cleaned my vegetables with the vegetable brush and apple cider vinegar, which is not here. Let me cut these ends off so we can use the spiralizer. And let me just get all of this out of your way. All right. Now put the chopped end close to the spikes of the spiralizer. It's supposed to work smoothly, but with this one I've been having a little bit of difficulties. It's not suctioning correctly and I have no idea what's going on right now. So let me try using the other side. Yep, this is a bit better. So here we go. It really doesn't take this long once you get used to using a spiralizer. I just have to get a new one. So you want them to look like spaghetti. Here's another view of me struggling, basically. All right, enough of that. Now we're gonna take the plum tomatoes and rinse them off. I'm making sure it's not bruised. There's no molding around it. I've already washed it with apple cider vinegar. So now I'm just gonna rinse it. Let's give these tomatoes a good slice. All right, let's get cooking. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel because there's a whole lot more to come. Now let's add some extra virgin olive oil to the pan. I already have it heated up, and some minced garlic from Trader Joe's. If you're a Trader Joe's fan, comment below because I want to know if I'm the only one that's addicted to Trader Joe's. Spread that out a bit. Now I prefer to buy the garlic already minced, but you can do what's good for you. Look at all that sizzle. Yum. Now let's add some sun-dried tomatoes. Of course, from Trader Joe's. Stir that in with the garlic. Let it sizzle. And of course, we're gonna add some ginger. This is raw ginger that I just chopped up. Now the plum tomatoes. And put the summer squash in there. Just a quick side note, you can also make this raw. Also, don't put your hand in the pan. Use a spoon or a thong or something like that because I know the temperature of my stove. That's the only reason I put my hand in there. Now some Himalayan pink salt. My special herb blend. I have what's in it below in the description. Mix that all together. I'm really just warming up the zucchini, to be honest. Now my Jamaican jerk seasoning. Now make sure you mix everything together. Everything's well coated, and look at that. Now let's plate it. Speed this up a little bit. Sprinkle some nutritional yeast on there. And there you have it. Jerk zucchini noodles.